What's up, guys? It's a little bit windy here. I got a fresh haircut yesterday, but we're here at Walmart because we're gonna do a new license plate LED install because the stock LED, well, they're not LEDs. The stock lights are just regular incandescent, so we're gonna swap those out and I'll show you which ones to get. So let's do it. All right, I found them. Of course, you can go to O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto or AutoZone to get these, but it's $28.25 are the ones you're looking for. Two of them, $7 a pop. Make sure you get the cool white ones. It also says $168, $194. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get out of the way there. But these are the ones you're looking for to replace your bulbs on your license plate. So we'll check these out and then we'll go out in the parking lot and we will hook them up and see how they look. All right, everyone, here's a pull for you. .5 ties my best time, and that's with the air filter, the new one, the Canon drop-in filter. So that's not bad. The fact that I was able to hit that on a dry road for my first 0 to 60 pass is not bad at all. Okay, I finally found a good day to do this, but if you can look underneath here, there is a clip right there. It's a clip. You get a flathead screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and pop it open, and then I'll show you how to switch out the bulb. So it's simply just twist down. It was like this. You just twist down. So when you pop them out, it just twists down, and then boom, your light comes out. All you have to do is pull it out. Bingo. And then we're going to insert the new one. We'll go ahead and look at it like this. Put it back in there. And we're good to go. Now I have the lights on and you can see that this one's on, but this one is not. So that just means you need to take it out, flip it over and put it back in. And boom, just like that, she is on. So we'll do the same thing to the other one over there, and I'll show you guys tonight what it looks like. And just like that, guys, there they are. Looks pretty nice. So I hope this install helped. If it did, smash that like button. Comment down in the comment section down below what you guys think. Have you done this or have you thought about doing this? And subscribe if you're new to the channel. It really does help me out. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next Camaro video. That's it with the Black Knight.